little testimony. Talk to
Yeah, the enemy's a snake and I really don't need him. Never put my faith in him, you never believe him. He lies and he cheats, he'll set you up. Might strip you of your clothes, then you can't dress up. So I tried Jesus out for myself, and it worked out. No bending knees, crying to God. That's my workout. I give God everything, my heart and soul. Killings every day, all day, hearts is cold. Time is running out, it's getting late. Are you ready yet? I know that the King is real. Have you met him yet? Christ is all that and a bag of chips. I'm so grateful, so I had to brag a bit. I would never be here if it wasn't for God. I can't believe he brought me this far. I'm gonna give praise every day that I wake up. How long will you wait? How much time will you take up when the sky crack open and the horn started glowing? If you read, then you sow it. Do you know where you going? Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Yeah, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I gotta go now, so I'll see you later until we meet again. Praise, keep me in your prayer. Yeah, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Woo. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I gotta go now, so I'll see you later until we meet again. Lord, keep me in your favor. We can't live forever, we all gon' die. When we lose a close friend, we all gon' cry. Thank him every day now while your heart is pumping. Till I'm gone, I ain't missing nothing. Do you appreciate love with your life itself? You only do it when you're laying in the lifeless help. It's real easy and simple, say thanks for some. People don't have food, no place or nothing. We could've got wiped out like New Orleans. That was God, it wasn't Hurricane Katrina. Families lost everything, even some of their own. God flooded the whole city, took all of their homes. They had to spend a few weeks laying under a dome. Just think, when you die, you going under alone. There's a flashing red light, and you better stop playing. It simply means get on your knees and start praying. Tears ran down my face, so I had to cry. It might be us next time, but for now, goodbye. Come on. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Yeah, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I gotta go now, so I'll see you later until we meet again. Praise, keep me in your prayer. Yeah, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Woo. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I gotta go now, so I'll see you later until we meet again. Lord, keep me in your favor. If you got a holy Bible, open up and read. Genesis 1:1, he created all things. I ain't here to throw darts or poke people with pens, but if the shoes fit, wear it and try not to sin. I can rap about my life because I've been in some mess. God gave me a gift, then I finished the rest. Can we help each other out? Give yourself a hug. Treat and love one another. Just share the love. These are the last days we live in, and we will survive. But we need each other now in 2005. If you believe in your heart, trust God with your everything. Pray and have faith and know you can have anything. I'm not here for the lights or hype, crowd applause. I wanna die an old man of a natural cause. I gotta go now, so I'll see you later until we meet again. Saints, keep me in your prayer. The clock is almost 10 minutes to 12. Make a decision now, saints. Is it heaven or hell? Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Yeah, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I gotta go now, so I'll see you later until we meet again. Praise, keep me in your prayer. Yeah, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Woo. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I gotta go now, so I'll see you later until we meet again. Lord, keep me in your favor.
Goodbye.